Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium series. So today we will see like how to upload a file using Selenium WebDriver. So for that I am taking this website, the internet, okay, and upload. So here we have a file upload and we are getting this choose file box, okay. And when I click on this one, so we'll be able to click on it, right? Because okay, anyway it is a button, so we are able to click on this one because if you right click inspect, okay, it is showing the ID and it has okay type also, name also, okay. So this is, it has a DOM structure, so we can right click inspect, okay, and we'll be able to click on this button. But once it click on this file or choose file, so whatever the box we see, okay, so this box is the Windows actually, okay, it is not a web actually, right? And we cannot interact with that. So how you will upload a file, okay, using Selenium WebDriver? So that demo we will see today. So let me jump to the IntelliJ IDE and I will just take the class which we created previously and we'll do the modification there. So I will name it at file upload demo, okay. And inside this, let me remove this unnecessary part. So we'll be creating Chrome driver instance, navigate to the website, okay, then maximize the window, and here I will write a code, okay, for file upload, okay. So let's say you want to upload some file, so you can keep your files in any location or target folder also is fine. So let me from target folder this page.png file I want to upload, okay. So how we can do that one, so we will see it. So first we need to get the file, which file I want to upload. File equal to new file, okay, and here I will pass the location of the file, okay. I want this file. So this page.png file is available in project directory, right? So how to get the current working directory in Java? So you will use system dot get property in bracket user.dir. So this will give you the current project directory. So never hard code the path like C drive, D drive, :/ because if you move your project to different location, that path will not be exist and your test will fail. So always give the use this one, like dynamically get the project directory path. Under project we have target folder and under target we have page.png, right? So how to concatenate? Using plus, okay, and here you will write in double quote, okay, target and page.png. So this is the file I want to upload, and if you see here, this file is coming from, we have to import also, right? So let me import it, java io, okay. So now this is the file I want to upload, okay. So next step is where you want to upload it, okay, where you want to upload it. So if I go to the website, let me close it. On this website I want to upload here. So if I right click inspect, and most of the time if it is input box, it will be input box, okay. In that case you can use the method sendKeys to upload a file, and we'll see that in a minute, okay. So first let me find out this locator for this one, okay. Let me take ID file upload, and yeah, there is one element found, right? So I'll use this one to upload a file, okay. So how you will find the element? Driver dot find element by ID, and this is the ID, okay. So this is my web element. So you can store in a web element because the return type of find elements is web element, and this is upload element, okay. Now on this upload element we will use sendKeys method, okay. So sendKeys will upload a file, okay, but make sure whatever the upload element, this is a input tag actually, okay, then only sendKeys will work. And inside the sendKeys I want to upload this file, and just to get absolute path, okay. And let's see if it is able to upload or not. I'll right click, run. Okay, we need to put some weight also so that we can see the screen. Okay, and we need to add either try catch block because we are using the thread.sleep, or throw the exception. It is navigating to the website, and you see the page.png file is added. Now we just need to click on upload. Okay, we just need to click on upload. So let me go, right click, inspect. Okay, it's not highlighting because I have added somewhere this, right, XPath. Okay, so if we highlight also, it will show here. Okay, so this is the input tag, but this time it is file submit. ID is file submit, right? Again it is input tag, but it has ID attribute as file submit, or value also you can use. Okay, so let me use upload this time, value as upload. Okay, so I'll construct the XPath, find input tag which has value equal to upload. Okay, and we can use the XPath also. So let me go to my code, click on upload. So here I'll write driver dot find element by XPath, and here I will use click method. Okay, and then after that we are waiting for 5 seconds. So navigated to website, the internet. Okay, it will do the maximize, uploaded the file, clicked on upload button, and file is successfully uploaded. And I want to validate this message also, file is successfully uploaded or not. Okay, so how we can do that? Let me attach some file here. Okay, upload. Okay, I'm doing manually first so that I can capture this box. Okay, so this is the text is there. Okay, div, it has a class example. Okay, so this time I'll use CSS div which has class example, and under that we have a h3, right? So I'll just put h3, and you see this is a CSS locator, and we are able to get this file uploaded element, right? So here I will write verify file is uploaded successfully. For that I'll write driver dot find element by CSS selector and use my CSS selector. Okay, so this is a web element. Okay, file upload message. Now to verify it, okay, we can use the two different things. So there is a testng framework which provide a assertion library, and there is a JUnit also. Okay, so we need to add that. So assert, you see I have a testng added, assert equals, and this method take two parameter. Okay, this will take two parameter. If I put here empty thing, so first is actual value, actual is this file upload, don't put in the double quote, and get text. So this is my actual, and expected is file uploaded. Okay, and explanation mark. and let's see if this is doing verification or not. Okay, so this is actually the real scenario. You need to upload a file and you should verify also, right? If you miss the assertion, how will know like file is uploaded successfully or not? Okay, so page is selected, uploaded, and let's see, it is waiting here. So if this text is not matching, it will throw the exception, and you see it is throwing the exception. Okay, so the file upload failed. The reason is because when we click on upload button to get this message actually, okay, div example h3, so it is taking some time to load, maybe in millisecond or second. Okay, so that we need to tell WebDriver wait for that element. Okay, don't throw the exception, wait for that element. So I have, if you want to know like what are the different wait, implicit, explicit, fluent, you can watch my another video. So that we will use here. Okay, WebDriver wait equal to new WebDriver wait. So first parameter we have to pass driver, and second parameter, if you see, duration you have to pass, means time. So duration dot, you can pass in second, millisecond, minutes also, of second, and I will give 5 seconds. Okay, maybe my element is taking some time, and then we will use wait dot until expected conditions. Okay, visibility of element. Okay, wait until the element is visible. So this element, right, I will put on the top, and then I will use for the visibility of this element, and once it is visible, then perform the assertion. Okay, then perform the assertion. So right click, run it, and let's see if this time it is working fine or not. Okay, so it navigated to website, choose file is uploaded, and let's see if it is able to run successfully, and this time our code is successfully, okay, assertion is passed. Okay, so previously it failed because of the element is taking time to load. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.